Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. Today we're going to cover what a blockchain wallet is, the features of a blockchain wallet, and how a blockchain wallet works. As always, if you have any questions as you watch this video, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. If you find this video helpful or enjoyable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. So let's jump into it. So what is a blockchain wallet? Well, just like a regular cash wallet, a blockchain wallet is a digital software that lets a user store and manage multiple blockchain assets. It comes packed with many features like transaction records, charts, and social features. It lets you transact in cryptocurrencies and converts them into a user's local legal money. The wallet is provided by blockchain. Now let's look at the features of a blockchain wallet. First of all, a blockchain wallet allows users to interact with other wallets on the same or other blockchains. Also, functionality to manage the assets safely. Second of all, for maintaining security, all the transactions are cryptographically assigned in the wallet. The wallet can be accessed on any computer, device, smartphone, or as extensions and plugins. While a user can download and install the free software, wallets are personal entities. So a user needs to go through the setup process, provide an email, and create a password. Blockchain wallets now come equipped with integrated APIs, which allows users to make marketing decisions and pull data from other platforms to do crypto market analysis. It allows them to watch the pricing of cryptocurrencies, transaction tracking, as well as social features like emailing, chatting, and posting status. Now let's look into how blockchain wallets work. All crypto transactions take place in blockchain wallets, which are secured by cryptography. Each transaction includes a user exchanging some value of cryptocurrency for an asset or service with another blockchain wallet user. When this happens, each wallet uses its discrete data to sign and validate transactions, thus offering proof that the users involved in the transaction are the owners of their wallet. The blockchain wallet has no limit to the number of crypto you would like to keep in it. Whenever you want to do an exchange with someone, you would give your wallet address to them, and they would assign the crypto to your public address. This is not your wallet though, just a hashed format of your wallet address. The hash function is to encrypt the input to give output unknown to the public, but one that associates with your public address is your wallet address. You have a private and a public key that is associated with your wallet address, and this is the only way a user can decrypt encrypted information by the sender and release the contents, thus giving you access to your cryptocurrencies. A user will use his private key to send crypto by signing a transaction before sending it to the blockchain network. Once it is part of the public broadcast, the nodes use the public key, which is associated with the private key, to authenticate and validate the transaction. It will allow it through only after this step. Also, each transaction that is created by a private key includes a unique digital signature. So even when the same private key creates multiple signs, it is still difficult to make a copy. The recipient uses his private key, which is related to his public address, where the crypto was assigned to receive the amount in the wallet. If a user only sends a message using his wallet, he will sign the message with his private key. So there we have it. We've covered what a blockchain wallet is, the features of a blockchain wallet, and how a blockchain wallet works. If you're still wondering what exactly blockchain is, you can also check out our last video, What is Blockchain? I'll leave that in the description down below as well. As always, if you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.